Scared of going to the gym, but you're just not ready for summer yet? You know what I mean? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Merach S19 Recumbent exercise bike. As you can guess, this thing is big, it's heavy. I can't just lift it, so that's why we did the little picture, but we're going to show you some clips. We're going to get into the unboxing, as you know we do in every single episode. So let's go ahead and check it out. Come on. This is the Merach S19 Recumbent exercise bike. 8-level car style adjustment resistance system, your workout your way with just a simple shift of the lever. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, their magnetic recumbent bike offers a versatile range of options to help you achieve your fitness goals. With ergonomic, thicker seat and backrest, it's tailored comfort for you. Choose from 8 positions to easily adapt the seat to your specific needs and in-sync length. Plus, it's got a breathable mesh backrest and thicker seat, so enjoy cool and comfortable sessions regardless of the intensity. Silent dual belt drive system, smooth silent operation featuring a high-speed, high-inertia design with a 6.6-pound parameter weighted flywheel. Whether you're in a shared space or aiming to be considerate to your neighbors, this bike is the ideal choice for noise-free, family-friendly exercise. And the LCD display is awesome. It's your ultimate workout companion, so you can stay informed and motivated while their display shows key metrics like time, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. Plus, there's an iPad holder or phone holder attached to it, and you can use the Merach app during your ride for an enhanced workout experience. That's right, it is a self-developed app. Merach has its own app which just syncs to Bluetooth to the bike and it tracks the real-time stats. Plus, if you pair it with the Phantom Fit app, it turns the cycling into a fun game experience. With the heart rate tracking, you can maximize your workout. It's tailored to track your heart rate during workouts, so you can monitor it for optimal performance in every session. Frosted handled bars, so standing out from the plastic handlebars in the market, their frosted handlebars keep the sweat at bay and provide a secure, non-slip grip. Hassle-free assembly, say goodbye to complicated assembly instructions and hello to the easy setup with Merach. It's 80% pre-assembled. That's right. Plus, there's an installation video included, so even the most technologically challenged users can have it assembled within 30 minutes. Here's some of the dimensions on the bike: 48.03 length by 23.62 width at a 46.46 height. That's in inches. And the product weight is around 57 pounds, but it can hold up to 330 pounds. The inseam length can be extended from 28.35 up to 35.43 inches, and the recommended height for use is 5'2 to 5'10. And the customer service is great. Merach has your back. They've upheld the quality of their products, and they're dedicated to delivering outstanding customer service. When you invest in one of their recumbent exercise bikes, you benefit from a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. That's right, 1 year. They're here to help you every step of the way. This thing is awesome. Great job, Merach. The fact that you can use the app on it, you can use the little screen on it, or you can put your phone in it or a tablet or whatever is just fantastic. We want to give a huge shout out to Merach for sponsoring this video. You can find all the links down below. And as of making this video, it's on sale for several $100s off, so make sure you go check it out. I've been today's host Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.